I'm with an old buddy, Brent. Say hi, Brent.
What's up, guys?
And we're hiking like 20-30 miles on the Appalachian Trail from Pine Grove Furnace to Boiling Springs, right?
Yeah, that's the goal.
Yeah, gonna be backpacking all weekend, so should be fun. Oh yeah? Steep as heck. Where is he? Oh yeah, it's just a little juvenile. Look at that. That is beautiful. Hi, buddy. Huh. Look at that.
Dude, this is a nice little face you can climb here.
Yeah, man. This place is beautiful. It has been a hot minute since I've seen a copperhead. I am happy. I can't believe there's still copperheads out here.
This is the spot 100% they're at.
Oh yeah?
Nothing changes.
So this is the northern copperhead. They are responsible for the most venomous snake bites in the United States. There are around 7,000 to 8,000 venomous snake bites in the U.S. every year. And guess how many of those people die? Only a handful, like 5 or so. Most people, receive anti-venom and all that stuff. We have very good treatment for that here in the U.S. However, if you are bitten by a venomous snake, the big thing with that is it will financially cripple you, man, because, a place like this, you might have to get airlifted. That costs like $20,000 alone. Then you also have to be administered about 20 vials of Crofab. That's the anti-venom we use here in the U.S. And those cost about $3,000 a bottle. So hopefully you got good health insurance or whatever. And there's a Chinese praying mantis joining us. If you didn't have a trained eye, then you might just see the praying mantis and not realize there's a copperhead just inches away. Weird. One there. One over here too. Divots and more. Oh man. Cave or a mining company is here or something. Freaking trail. Oh, where's this thing cat? We got neighbors. Finally, the shelter. Hi, friends. So we made it to James Fry's shelter, bunking with 6 other campers from New York. Real interesting folk we spoke about earlier. They offered me a cigar. That's the second time, someone's offered me a smoke today. Well, actually, no, the first guy was asking if we had any smokes. But anyway, I came down to the spring here to purify some water, and I got kind of disoriented. I have no sense of direction anymore, guys. I thought we were camping on this side of a stream because I remembered I crossed over, but I can't remember if I crossed back over. The thing is, I hear voices coming from up that side of the mountain, so I'm thinking that's probably where they're at. So I'm just going to cut through the woods, go up there, see if I can find them. Hopefully this is the right way. Hopefully they're not where I thought they were on the other side. Maybe I'm about to discover some like weird cult or something. I don't know. A lot of weird stuff happens in the Appalachians, so. Oh, score, baby. Chicken of the woods, man. Might come back tomorrow morning to forage this. Supposedly it tastes like chicken. I never had it. I've always wanted to. This is kind of cool. Check out this outhouse. Literally, they're using a pulley system for the door with a rock on a wooden pallet. That's clever. Woo.
It doesn't take much to get to work, right?
Oh, cool.
Oh, we love you.
We're all fucked up. We got it.
No
What?
Okay, whatever. I just sailed boats all over the globe. No, literally, this is the real. Jackie jumped out off the boat and was swimming in the water. We're running out. And she's like, if we do, it'll be okay because we love each other. We're hugging each other. It was the most terrifying experience I've ever had in my entire life. And I've come close to shooting people.
And her as well.
And her, well, no, not her.
No, I didn't mean shooting her.
Yeah,
I meant
no,
like,
that's what you said.
No, I did not. That's not what I intended. What I
Yeah.
intended was that you and her both shared that same experience. That same level of fear.
The fear, yeah.
Like you had to rely on each other.
Yeah.
To
Oh,
fucking,
absolutely.
like, persevere,
Absolutely.
right?
Persevere, yeah.
Like that builds a bond. Like,
builds a
that's
bond.
why you don't sleep with the au pair, right? I mean,
That's exactly. Thank you.
I know. I was working at a restaurant.
Nice girl, and I love my wife. This is an unmitigated disaster right now.
Alright, so Found this chicken in the woods last night while going down to purify water, and this is my breakfast right here. I'm gonna eat some. They say, supposedly, it tastes like chicken. Though I've also heard it tastes pretty bland when eaten raw. The farther away you get from the base, the better. There we go. That's a solid piece right there. But you can eat this raw. We're gonna see how it tastes. I also like to call it clickers because it looks like the cordyceps fungus from The Last of Us. All right, here goes the taste test. Let's see how it goes. Don't know. Yeah, tastes like chicken. That's pretty good, actually. I don't think that's bland at all. It's got a very distinct flavor.
I saw that.
Quite yummy. Oh yeah. Oh, treat. Let's get to this side. Woo! Wow, so pretty.
Slightly.
They are a little bit venomous. Oh, that's a big garter. Hi, friend. Oh. You gonna bite? He's probably going to. Yep, there he goes.
I don't think he's interested though.
Yeah.
He seems to know you're not really.
What's up, bro? Nice. Second snake of a hike, man. Let's go. Hey. You just bit your own tail, buddy. I'm gonna sit you down now. Bye, friend.
Oh.
Ooh, good. Oh, this is pretty.
Like orange and white.
Some serious switchbacks here.
Man, I really wish I had a bigger back.
Just climbed up this freaking pine tree on this rock outcropping. This mountain is huge, dude. Look at this view. That might even top the Pole Steeple lookout, bro. Oh my gosh, dudes, I'm in love with this view. It's so pretty. Dude, that looks sick. It's like a castle of rocks on top of the biggest mountain out here. Holy smokes, yeah. Tight squeeze. Oh, hey, Brent. Found an easier way up. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Big jump. All right, let's scramble up this. Too bad there's not a good view up here. Really rocky up here. Oh.
It could be on this part.
Whoa.
So if you can pull yourself up, I kind of
Some of these rocks have real funny shapes. Any rock climbers out there, you gotta check this place out. Where even are we? Like south of Camp Tucko right now? West? Okay. Massive boulders just everywhere you look. Let's check this thing out. It's pretty nice. Decent shelter. Ugh. Wow. Climbing on these boulders is so fun, man. Woo! Yeah, look at all the weird like erosion and stuff in the rocks. It's all spiky. we got our second garter snake of the day. Really lovely checkered patterning, slightly smaller. Last one was pretty decent size. You know, take some photography of him in front of all this beautiful fall coloring would be really pretty. What's up, dude? Homies chill. So it's cool to see all the snakes, like different personalities and stuff. Cute. I'm so glad I didn't step on. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Okay. You're gonna go right over my shoe. Hi. Don't get stepped on by a hiker. This is the softest rotting tree ever. Yeah.
Mountain Club of Maryland maintains this.
It's probably a center point knob here. Ooh, nice views all around.
Maryland does
Yeah.
all that stuff you were on.
Oh yeah, this is center point knob. More all over the place. I don't know why there's little depressions everywhere. It's weird. Jeez Louise. I wonder if there's like a cave under here. I know that happens, like sinkholes above caves and stuff. I heard that, or some like old mining company used to be here. Like if you go down the Lower Bank Road, they're everywhere. But like, look at this. Why are there holes everywhere? I bet that's what it is. This is probably an old mining company, and now it's just, jeez Louise, this one's like 10 times the size. Craters everywhere. The whole trench here. Yo, hey chipmunk. Let's go, baby. Finally out of the woods. Home stretch now. Just got cut across some fields to Boiling Springs. Where the heck even are we right now? We're like in some farmer's property or something. Yeah.
Straight freaking trail.
Yeah.
Hello.
Kitty kitty.
Yeah, it's definitely a wildcat.
Want me to come pet you?
No.
It's gonna run away, I'm telling you. Yep, okay. No. Bye, friend.
That's like get out there.
Sun is setting. We got a beautiful golden hour over here. Oh, it's lovely. Pretty sunset to end the hike. Nothing like that, man. Perfect ending to a trip. Bro, the moon is so beautiful.
Why is it
I didn't film
How long the hike before us was 23 miles. So.
Oh, okay. You did so by yourself?
No, I was with Boy Scouts.
Oh, when you're in the Boy Scouts?
Yeah, I'm an Eagle Scout.
I didn't know that Boy Scouts is such a long hike.
We got rid of it when I was born.
So when you're not working with ski around to help you too?
I work with my dad.
Snakes is not partial to anyone.
Yeah.
I've been track in high school because I got out of high school.
Oh, okay. You didn't want to do professionally?
No, I wasn't good enough.
Good to meet you too. Yay, Boiling Springs. Lake's all dry for some reason. Bro. What's its name?
Kato.
Kato. What's up, Kato? Kato and Mushu. I just dropped Brent off, and we had such an amazing time. This is Brent's first time backpacking, and he loved it. We'll definitely have to do that again sometime. But yeah, it was just a really great hike, dudes. It worked out perfectly, and it was fun. We got to meet like some really crazy people, and then we'd bump into each other again later down the road and stuff. Like the people that we were camping with overnight, oh my gosh, dude. They all just got like drunk and high as heck, dude. It was just partying. We all got to know each other better and stuff. And they were hilarious people to be around. And they're all like government officials and stuff. The one guy actually is an FBI agent, so he's sharing like stories and stuff. And he couldn't tell us everything, of course. You know, some things are confidential, but it was a good time. And then we all bumped into each other later on and hiked a bit more together. Then at the end, there was also this lady we met earlier. And then we bumped into her at the very end and just finished the final like mile off through the countryside hiking with her. And she was just hilarious too. Great woman. We was just chatting and stuff. And we were telling her about all the snakes we saw. She hates snakes, man. So she's like, oh my goodness. But yeah, great hike. One for the books. Now I'm ready for dinner.